Imagine standing on the factory floor, amidst a sea of machinery and innovation. This is not just any ordinary workspace. This is the future of manufacturing brought to life through augmented reality. Tonight, we're diving into how AR technologies are reshaping quality control in the manufacturing sector. Picture this: digital information seamlessly integrated with real-world settings, enhancing the way we visualize and inspect products. As manufacturing evolves towards greater efficiency and precision, AR emerges as a pivotal player, streamlining processes and ensuring top-tier quality. By visualizing digital models directly over physical components, inspectors can identify defects with astounding clarity, transforming mere inspections into a visually engaging process that's as instructive as it is essential. Quality control is the heartbeat of manufacturing. It ensures that every product meets specified standards, safeguarding against costly defects and ensuring the safety of end users. In industries like aerospace or medical devices, even minor deviations can spell disaster. Traditional methods often rely on manual checks. Imagine a QC operator receiving real-time data projected directly onto the product they're inspecting. With AR, not only can they see dimensional data and pass/fail indicators, but they can also act immediately on that information. The future isn't just about better tools. It's about better decision-making in real time, all made possible through AR technology. We're all aware that timing is everything, especially in manufacturing. With AR's real-time feedback capabilities, operators can react instantly to deviations in quality without halting production. If a part doesn't meet the required tolerances, AR systems can immediately alert the operator, allowing them to make adjustments on the fly. This not only saves time but also reduces waste and enhances overall productivity. Imagine a manufacturing line functioning smoothly, continually optimized by data analytics integrated within AR. This is the reality for many innovators in the field today, and if they aren't utilizing AR, they may very well be left behind. Now let's talk about guided inspections. In a complex manufacturing environment, missing a single step during quality checks can lead to significant complications down the line. AR excels here by providing step-by-step instructions directly within the inspector's line of sight. It's like having a seasoned pro over your shoulder, guiding you through the process. This intuitive guidance does more than just enhance accuracy. It also provides a much-needed confidence boost to new operators. They can follow the laid-out path, knowing they have support at every turn. AR is redefining the training of new staff, ensuring that the knowledge of seasoned veterans is accessible to everyone on the floor. Collaboration is vital in the modern manufacturing ecosystem, and AR takes it to the next level. Imagine a situation where on-site operators face a challenging quality issue. With AR, they can connect with remote experts who see what the operators see in real time. Through AR overlays, these remote specialists can provide immediate guidance, marking up the operator's view with digital instructions or annotations. It's as if the expert is right there with them, contributing their knowledge and perspective. This capability not only accelerates problem-solving, but also cultivates a culture of continual learning and improvement among teams. When specialists share insights instantly, you create a dynamic learning environment that uplifts everyone involved. As we gaze into the future, the advancements in AR are nothing short of awe-inspiring. With the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the possibilities are expanding exponentially. Imagine AR systems that not only assist with inspections but also learn from past data, predicting defects before they even occur. This paradigm shift from reactive to proactive quality control could revolutionize entire industries. The collaboration between augmented reality and advanced metrology tools will redefine accuracy and efficiency. We stand on the brink of a new era in manufacturing where every critical decision is backed by robust, insightful data, empowering manufacturers to stay ahead of the curve. Innovation is the name of the game, and augmented reality is right at the center of it all. By investing in AR solutions, manufacturers are positioning themselves as leaders in quality control and operational excellence. They're not just adopting new technologies. They're creating a smarter workforce that understands and utilizes data in ways previously imagined only in science fiction. As industries accelerate their digital transformations, AR stands out as a crucial element driving sustainable and scalable change. It's about harnessing the power of technology to craft products that not only meet standards but exceed expectations. It's an exciting time to be involved in manufacturing, where every day brings new opportunities to innovate and improve.